Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome. Today in the daily newspaper of Tuesday, December the 5th, 2023, we have here two regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the binary puzzle 12 by 12 and a killer Sudoku. We have also in this newspaper an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you. And those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have also two jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with a 1 star, and the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles in additional. Half of them, 4 of them, I will solve in the evening. But let me solve these two regular puzzles first. And what's the news of today? Well, the news of today is, well, this is Gaza. It's bombed. Yes, all the buildings are bombed. So please cease fire now. Yes, cease fire now. Stop the bombing in Gaza. Well, the bombing, the war is continued. Yes, several days, I believe 1 week, they have ceased the fire, but they are now continuing with the bombing. So the war is not finished. All right. Binary puzzle number 7564. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 39 printed digits. It's a 12 by 12 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 6 ones and 6 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Number 1, here no, there no. Number 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes in O. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes in O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between the O's comes in 1, double 1, here no, there no, double O, here 1, there 1, double 1, here no, there no. Let me see, double 1, here no, there no, double O, here 1, there 1, double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes in O, between 2 ones comes in O, double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes in O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes in O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Let me see. Now I'm not. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Need the 6th one. 1, yeah. 1, 2, oh, double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1, double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Well, alright, between 2 ones comes in O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I place number 6 here, right here, Then we have 4 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Number 1, here no, there no. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between the 1s comes an O, double O, here 1, there 1. Between the 1s comes an O, double 1, here no, there no, double O. Here 1, there 1, double O, here 1, there 1, double 1, here no, there no, double 1, here no, there no, double O, here 1, there 1. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the 1s comes an O. Between the 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, we have 5 ones. I cannot place the 6th one there. Of course, we have a double 1 here. Here no, there no. Okay. Now I need to wait. Between the O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1. Here no, there no. 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is number 6. Between the 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Between the O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1. So the rest are O's. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1. So the rest are O's. Double O here, 1, there 1. Between the 1s comes an O. 2, 3, 4, 5. Double O here, 1, there 1. Double 1 here, no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have here 5 1s. If we place number 6 there, then we have 4 O's in a row in this column. Not that I one of the rules. This can be 1. This should be no. Double O here, 1, there 1. And I know. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. Well. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we need an O and a 1 here. Here we know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Also O and a 1. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well. Five O's. O and a 1. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Interesting. Let me compare then. Can I compare? This is the question. How about the O10 here? O10. We have O10 here. Number 1. O1, yeah. This column. And a third column. O 1 1 O 1 1 1 1 O empty box 1 1 0 0 0 0. We need to switch these two digits. We have 1 here, this should be no. We have 0 here, this should be a 1. Then we have here 1 2 3 4 5. This is number 6. Double check 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay. Here we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 1. So the rest are O's. 1 2 3 4 5 6 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1 here, no there, no. 1 2 3 4 5 6 O's. So the rest are 1s. Between the 1s comes an O. 1 2 3 4 5 6 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. 2 3 4 5. Need to compare again. Double 100. Double 1. Do we have a 1001? 101. No. Cannot compare this one. This row and the second row. 0000111. Again, sorry. Empty box. 0011111001100001100. Empty box. We need to switch these two digits. We have 1 here, this should be no. We have 0 here, this should be a 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double 0 here, 1, there, 1. 1 2 3 4 5 6 1. So the rest are O's. 1 2 3 4 5 6 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1 2 3 4 5 6 1. So the rest are O's. And 1 2 3 4 5 6 O's. Yes, correct. Finish in 12 minutes. Well, we solve it again. We solve it again with 2 times comparing. Yeah, 2 times comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the second regular puzzle, Killer Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.